Welcome to this quick morning practice. This practice is here for you when you're short on time. It's so quick that you can also do it in bed. Thank you for joining me on this journey of mastering our relaxation. Depending on how the hips and the back feel, you may want to sit up on a blanket, a cushion, a block. In today's practice, I will be sitting up on a blanket. See what works for you today. Remember, your body is the guru. Honor and listen to it. To begin today's practice, we're going to start off in easy seated pose, and we're going to do some Sufi rolls. And we're just going to circle the ribs and the waistline in one direction. Relax your shoulders, and as you come forward, send the heart center forward, opening and releasing the upper back. Try to keep your hips and your knees still and grounded. We're going to pause and take our Sufi rolls in the opposite direction. And this is a good time to check in with the body, see how the spine is feeling. Let's release back to center and move into the neck. Drop your chin down towards your chest. Take the left ear towards the left shoulder. Roll the head back, then over to the right and back through center. Do this a few more times, moving at your own pace. Make sure you're not slouching forward and that you're sitting up nice and tall. Reverse the direction of your neck rotations. If you feel like you need to spend a little bit more time with the neck, feel free to pause the video and then just hold the stretches, breathing and breaking through the stickiness and the stiffness. Let's release our head back up to center. Interlace the fingers, making a basket with the hands, and place it at the base of the head. Take an inhale, push the elbows back, send the heart forward, relax the shoulders. Exhale as you send your chin towards your chest and the elbows forward, stretching the back of the neck. Do this a few more times. Come back to center and release the hands. Let's move into a side body stretch. Plant the left hand on the ground across from the left hip. Stretch the right arm over to the right, palm facing up, and then send the right arm up overhead over to the left. Ground down through the hips, and move the left hand away from the body if you want to get deeper. Release and bring the body upright. Keep the right arm up and then land the right hand on the left knee, coming into a spinal twist. The left hand can rest on the ground behind the hips, or you can take a bind, bring the left hand right at the right hip. Inhale to sit up nice and tall. Exhale to twist a little bit deeper. Inhale to release. Let's move over to the other side. The right hand comes down onto the ground across from the right hip. Stretch the left arm up overhead. Feel the stretch all the way from the left hip, all the way up to the left underarm. Take an inhale to release. Left hand comes to the right knee. Find your spinal twist. Draw the shoulders down as you sit up nice and tall. Exhale to twist from the belly button area. As you inhale, gently release back to center. Keeping the legs crossed, we're going to take a seated forward fold. Lengthen the spine as you inhale and then exhale to melt the heart forward. Soften the upper back, soften your hip points. And it's the morning, so if the back wants to round a little bit, that's okay. Let's release and come up to a seated position. Keep the left heel towards the groin. Grab the outer edge of the right foot. Bend the knee towards the underarm. Sit up nice and tall. Flex the toes towards the face. Relax the shoulders and the muscles of the face. And we're going to release here. Switching over to the left leg. Make sure you're balanced on your seated bones. Draw the shoulders down and back. And this will help you to pull the left leg, sending your knee back. Notice the difference in between the legs and the hips. And we're going to release here. Take a moment in easy seated pose. I would like to share a quote with you before you head off into your day. This quote is from the Persian poet Rumi, and he said, "Wear gratitude like a cloak, and it will feed every corner of your life." Thank you for practicing with me this morning. Peace and ease to you.